Now we will discuss question number 31 and 32. It is a passage in which scheme 1 and scheme 2 is given. Here we see in scheme 1, starting compound is M. It is reacted with NaNH2 excess. NaNH2 is base, so it will react at two position, at terminal alkyne and at alkoxide at acidic hydrogen. This compound is formed by this reaction. When it react with alkyl halide, here we have two nucleophile. One is alkyne wala and one is alkoxide. It is a better nucleophile, so first nucleophilic attack occurs here. We will get this product, and when this react with CH3I, then we have this product as further compound. When it will react with hydrogen and Lindlar catalyst, then at alkyne, cis alkene will be formed, and our final product in scheme 1 will be X. This compound is X, contain 7 carbon. Already in start it contained 4 carbon. We add 3 carbon in the process, and finally we have 7 carbon compound. In scheme 2, we have this compound, starting compound, this, and when it react with NaNH2, 2 equivalents is given, but at the time only 1 equivalent is consumed. This compound is formed. When it react with this compound, nucleophilic attack occurs on this carbon and Br is removed. This product is formed, and as second equivalent of NaNH2 is present, alkoxide ion is formed. After mild acidification, alkoxide ion convert into alcohol group. When this compound react with hydrogen, palladium and charcoal, then reduction of at this functional group occurs. Alcohol do not reduced by hydrogen and palladium. We get this compound, and when it is treated with chromic anhydride, it is an oxidizing agent. It will convert alcohol into carbonyl group. Here we have 2 degree alcohol, so we will get ketone as a product at this point. Now we study 2 questions. Question number 31. In question number 31, it is asked that the product X is. Here we get product X is this product. So our answer in question 31 is A. In this cis isomer and 7 carbon. Now scheme 2. Question 2 is 32 is asked that the correct statement with the respect of product Y. अब Y product हमारे पास है. This compound have C double bond O CH3 group, and due to C double bond O CH3 group, it will give iodoform test. So in options of question 32, we find out only C and D can be further checked. In C and D, if we see product X in scheme 1 and product Y in scheme 2, here both are functional group isomer, and due to the functional group isomer and this compound gave iodoform test, our answer in question number 32 is it gives a positive iodoform and is a functional isomer of X, and answer is C. Thank you.